Welcome back again, guys. So here's this one for if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates. So like I promised, we are going to look at how to create a user on your own VPS, which is your virtual private server. Okay, so in order to get a server, you have to go to DigitalOcean. That is the usual provider that we all use. Okay, so after buying it, you use credit card to buy the VPS. Okay, after buying the VPS, they will give you a username, the password, and there's an IP address. Okay, the IP address is designed for your VPS. Okay, so after getting all these credentials, to move to your phone. Okay, if you have a laptop too, you use Putty. Putty is also a software for this VPS, like it will open your terminal for you. Okay, so you can operate it on your laptop, and if you are using phone too, you have to use this CentOS. Okay, so we are looking at this tutorial on CentOS on your phone. Okay, so this CentOS, you install it or you get it from Play Store. After installing it, you tap on it to open. Okay, then after open, you sign up. You have to go through some processes in order to sign up. Okay, after signing up, you get an interface like this. Okay, then you tap on this plus sign. Okay, then you select new host. For me, I already have one host here, which is this one info. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, I want us to start another one so that you understand how to do it yourself. So plus sign, new host, then the host, you come and give it a name. There is the alias, so you can make it your own name. So let's say this one info. I'm a proud Ghanaian, so add the Ghana flag. 2, this is the second account. Then the username, the IP address that you go from DigitalOcean, which is the IP, you paste it there. And the IP, normally when you get the IP, you have to point it to a domain on Cloudflare. Okay, so the particular IP, you go to your Cloudflare dashboard, then you point it to the domain over there. So maybe if I have a domain on Cloudflare like this1info.site, this1info.ask, this1info.com, so I can use it. I can point my IP address to that particular domain. Okay, so I can use that domain as my host name. Okay, so you paste it here. If you get that domain, this1info.com, you can paste it here. Okay, but if you haven't pointed that IP to your domain, you can just input the IP over here like that. So in future, if you get money, you want to buy a domain from your Cloudflare, then you point it. After pointing it, you come and paste it in there. Okay, for the registration. So now let's paste the host name. This is the host name. Then you scroll down. Then the password, the username that DigitalOcean normally gives is root. Okay, root, normal root, ROOT. Okay, then the password is normally sensitive, because this part you won't even, I'm not sure you even see it, they will hide it, you won't even see it here. But the password, they will give you the password and the username and the IP. Okay, and the username is always root, this normal like 3 root. Okay, that's spelling. Then the password too, you come and paste it or you type it in there. After then, so these 3 things, the host IP, the username which is root, and the password. Okay, after that, you click on the check or the mark button on the top, on your top right corner. Okay, to save it. Good. So after click on save, it will appear on the screen. Then you just tap on it. Okay, tap in the middle, tap on the new host. Okay, to initiate it. Good, you see it running on the background. So after clicking on it, it will open the terminal. On the terminal, if you have installed the script, okay, because we have this in the SSH managers, we have the one from Dragon VPS, and we have other ones too, okay, which is the Wolf VPS manager. So after getting the from Digital Ocean, you have to install this script, this SSH script. Otherwise, if you don't install them, you won't be able to create your SSH keys. Okay, so you have to install them, and in the long run, I'll teach you in my subsequent. I will teach you all that, how to install the scripts and how to manage everything. Okay, so just stay tuned to my channel. So in this terminal area, you just this thing here is the keyboard, the terminal keyboard. Okay, so in the terminal keyboard, you just type in menu, menu, menu. Then you click on enter. Whatever you do, if you want to implement it, click on enter. After typing the menu, you type what? Enter. Okay, so it will take you to this interface. So this the VPS manager that I was talking about. You see, they've written it boldly over there, Dragon VPS manager. So after getting your SSH, your how do you call it, the VPS details, then opening this app, which is this terminal, you have to install this script, the Dragon VPS or Wolf VPS manager, in order to create the SSH account. Okay, so here we are going to create an account. So let's open the keyboard. Tap on the keyboard. The keyboard is normally on your bottom right corner. Okay, bottom right corner of your screen on the phone. Okay, so we tap on it to open. After then, they have been indicated with numbers. Whatever you want to do on the on the VPS manager. So if you want to create a user, you see they've written it over there. 1, create user. 2, create test user. 3, remove user. 4, online user monitor. That's if you want to monitor a particular user online. 5, change date. If you want to change the date to, then 6, you have change limit, and so on. We have a lot of them over here. So whatever you want to do, you just look at the number corresponding to it. Okay, so the username, create new user. Create a user comes with 1. So you type what? 1. 1 is the create user. Then you tap on enter. Okay, then here you come and type the username. So the number in there say Gobe, Gobe, Gobe. Then the password too as well. Okay, I think it has already. So let's change it. Let's go back. 1 to create user. So let's say GH Gobe. GH Gobe. Okay, let's come to the password. So after typing the username, you tap on enter again. It will bring you to the username, the password. Then you type in the password. The password, let's make it 5555. Okay, after tapping the password too, you type on the enter again to enter the days to expire. If you want it for 30 days, you just tap for 30 days. If you want it for 5 days, you type 5. If you want it for 7 days, you type for 7. Okay, so let's use just 5 for the sake of this tutorial. Then you tap on enter to move to the next one. So here, limit of connection, the number of users you want for this particular file. So if you want, let's say 1,000 users, you type what? 1,000. Okay, if you want just 5 users, you type what? 5 users. If you want 50 users, you type what? 50. Okay, so let's just use 5. After then, you type on what? Enter. Then the account will be created. So when the account is created, you just need what? The username and the password and the host IP, or how do you call it? The IP address. Okay, so these are the things that you use to create your file. So if you know how to create, if you're a file creator, you know how to create your own VPN file. then you should know how to use these details, which the username, the password. So here we have the username, which is ghgobe, and we have the password, which is the 555, and the host IP is over there. But this one we are hidden the host name. Okay, like the host name will appear beneath the IP address. Okay, so you can just tap on it to copy. So this one, as a file creator, you should copy these three things: the host IP, the username, and the password. Then use it to create your own file on HTTP custom, okay, or any other custom payload VPN, like the HTTP injector, open tunnel, and the rest. Okay, so this is how to go about. Please stay tuned to my channel for more future updates like this. Okay, thank you very much.